Oh yeah, one more time for Western Central
Yes,
Africa.
sir.
Woo!
That might have been my favorite dance so far, man. The drums, the jerseys, the horns, some of this, you know, just oof. Oh my God. You know, that was a really tough act to follow. And we talked about the richness and culture in West and Central Africa. But our next dance is coming to us from one of the most diverse countries on earth.
And last year, it became the world's most populous country. Let's get loud for India!
It sounds like the whole country might have made it in here tonight, honestly. That was wow. Known as a kaleidoscope of cultures, India boasts a wide array of cuisines, religions, and especially languages.
Speaking of languages, did you know that India has 22 official languages?
Wow, 22.
It's a lot.
I mean, I kind of speak 3. I thought that was pretty good, but 22, man. I mean, if we tried to do this intro in all 22 languages, we'd be here until next year's gala, I think.
Yep, we would. I can see it now. Gala 2025, still in transit.
I like that. It's got a nice ring to it, you know. The choreographers of this India dance have done a wonderful job bringing the beauty of their country to the stage, and they cannot wait to show you what they've created. Please join us. Please join us in welcoming to the stage this year's choreographers for India, Sanvi and Abhishri.
Namaste. My name is Sanvi,
My name is Abhishri.
and we are so excited and honored to be representing our motherland, India. One of my core memories growing up is watching Bollywood movies with my family, and my favorite thing about it is how over the top and extravagant the song and dance numbers are. These aren't just entertainment to me. These are celebrations of my culture, my music, and all of our stories.
I've learned dance all my childhood, so today's performance goes beyond being just a visual treat. It's a heartfelt tribute to my motherland's culture, music, and dance, enhanced by my lovely performers. I'd also like to thank our dear friend Isha for helping us put together the last act. And with flowy costumes and colorful lights, we've put together a vibrant frenzy of our vision, which is nothing without you, our beloved audience. So thank you so much for being here tonight. Jai Hind!
A reminder, this dance does contain strobe lights.
Make some more noise for India! Come on!
गोरी 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 गोरी, कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी, छुप छुप के तुम मिला करो, प्यारी प्यारी बातें बातें किया करो, पर यूं ना मिलना किसी से कभी हमारे सिवा।
गोरी गोरी